Let's face it, motorhomes are a lot more expensive than they were a few years ago, putting a fresh new model now out of reach of many buyers. Of course, there's always the second-hand market, as well as ex-rentals, but who wants to buy one of those? Well, Apollo RV Sales is taking some of the fear out of buying a banged-up potential money pit by providing an industry-leading 3-year warranty on its refurbished ex-rental motorhomes. So is it a bargain or a dud deal? To find out, we took a tour of the Brisbane workshop where the Apollo ex-rentals go from tired workhorse to shiny showroom special in around the space of a week. Like many rental businesses, Apollo offers its rental motorhomes to retail buyers once they've run their course. But being part of the world's biggest RV rental operation means they can put them through a pretty thorough process before any new buyer can get hold of one. An in-house team of 8, along with external contractors, help restore the full range of rental options, from 4x4 campers to compact campervans and larger motorhomes. First step is a full evaluation of each vehicle, both inside and out, which includes stripping down internal cabinetry and investigating all components, plumbing, wiring and fixtures to work out what needs repairing or replacing. External checks include awnings, lights, doors, windows, gas bottles and other fittings, while all external seals are checked and water leak tests conducted as required. Every vehicle also benefits from a full mechanical once-over and roadworthy, although even high mileage base vehicles should be in relatively good nick as they're regularly serviced and maintained while out on the rental fleet. Back inside, and important items like appliances and smoke alarms are replaced if necessary, while the in-house cabinetry and upholstery shops are kept busy custom making new curtains, bench tops and other replacement items for high-touch fittings that often look a bit worse for wear. The motorhomes are also sent out for exterior repainting, the old stickers replaced with fresh decals, and they also get a full clean and detail before the final quality checks. For further peace of mind, Apollo is currently providing a complimentary extended 3-year warranty for a limited time, which covers a broad range of mechanical and appliance failures up to $3,000 per claim, along with some out-of-pocket expenses during a breakdown.
So this is a good example of the sort of value you can get with an ex-rental motorhome. This is a 7-metre long 6-berth Kea River motorhome. It's based on a 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It's done just over 119,000 kilometres. It's currently for sale at $110,000. So let's see what else you get.
All up, the refreshed exterior and interior has come up a treat, and while not overloaded with equipment, it's got the basics covered from the rear camera and bike rack to a driver's touchscreen up front. There's also a spacious layout with walk-through from the front seats to the dinette, kitchen area, combination shower and toilet and rear club lounge and bed area, with another bed located up top. While key features include a cooker, fridge and microwave, radio, TV, roof hatch and air conditioner. Ignore the rental spec finishes and you might think you're in a late model motorhome, while bank on a few more good years left in the trusty Benz base, which also happens to be one of the nicer motorhome platforms to cruise around town in. With hundreds of refurbished ex-rentals hitting Apollo dealerships around the country each year, it's a good opportunity to snag a potential bargain if you're in the market for an affordable motorhome.
So there you have it. Buying an ex-rental motorhome doesn't have to be the stuff of nightmares. And the other upside is you can use some of the money you pay either for a few upgrades or to help pay for the fuel bills on your next big trip. For more details, check out our article on Caravan Camping Sales, and don't forget to like and subscribe and tell us in the comments below what you think about buying an ex-rental motorhome.